Hi guys, welcome to episode 3. It's been a few weeks now since we've started this project and it's just been so exciting to see how this violin's finally turned out. We've gone from something that looks a bit like this, which is the raw plastic filament, and we've transformed that into a playable musical instrument. Now I have all the parts laid out neatly, we're going to put this thing together, ready for stringing.
My spirit's awake, I don't feel the same. So many people here, but somehow they disappear. 'Cause all that I trust had crumbled to dust. But finally I can breathe, open my eyes and see all of the beauty in front of me, giving back all the energy that I never felt before. Beyond the lights of society that were killing me quietly, now I found myself a home. Out on my own, out on my own, out on my own, out on my own,
So there we have it, one fully built electric violin. Now, before Lita can play this for you, there's one more part we have to wait for, and that's the electric pickups. That's a small part that converts the resonance of the strings into an electronic signal that then can be amplified by plugging into an amp. Without that, it can be played, but it's very difficult to hear and doesn't sound anything like it should. That's in the mail at the moment and it should be here in a week or so. So you're going to have to wait till the next episode to see how it actually sounds.